Everyone, I'm gonna be flying Emirates plane today, and let me just press. Yeah, my engine's off. I didn't realize that. I forgot the keybinds, which was for the engine. There's the engine. Yeah, E. I'm gonna be pressing P. And just zoom in. P. And okay. Okay. I'm gonna skip this part. We're going for takeoff. Okay, come on, bro. Come on. Oh, it's gotta fly. Why is it not working? Okay, there we go. We're too low. Okay. Good. Look at that gear animation. You're on Air French. And we're going above the sky. I'm going cruising altitude. We're cruising right now. Let me look at some keybinds. Okay. Flaps up down by an inch. Camera mode C. Let's look at the cockpit. Okay, I'm gonna just turn around. I gotta stay in the air because here we go. Now I gotta find the airport back. Now where's the airport? Where's the airport? Wait, what? I can't even control it. They're not banned. Okay. Why is it not working, dude? Where are we gonna go in the water? I'm gonna go. Okay, why is it not working, dude? FOE back to that. Okay, for some reason my they're gonna crash in that mountain, dude. For some reason.
500, 400, minimum 200.
Am I just? Oh, okay. What's happening?
20.
Something's happening right now. Bro, something's right now happening. I don't know. Okay, I landed in the water safely. Oh, my engine. Come on. That's why it's not working. My engine was off. Okay guys, we got an emergency landing on the water. So if you guys enjoyed, like and subscribe. Now I gotta swim my way back there.